In front of me is Motorola Moto G, and today I would like to show you how you can select and add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to access Messages app and select or create a chat. Then tap on this icon of a paperclip at the top right corner. And to add video file, hit videos right away. Then you can tap on the chosen one, or click on the same paperclip, tap on capture video, record it, and then add it right away by hitting this check mark at the bottom. Either way, as you can see, my video was successfully attached. To add an audio file, click on the same paperclip, but this time select audio. Then tap on one of your files and attach it by hitting OK. To create your audio and then add it, hit paperclip one last time. Tap on record audio and use this left button to start recording. Then tap on this right one to stop. And last but not least, click done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!